Hello friends, good day and welcome to another wonderful video. This is Afripreneur, your digital tech marketing. Are you curious about learning cryptocurrency? Or you've heard people talk about it and want to learn more? You are in the right place. Cryptocurrency is a new type of digital money. It's changing how people think about money and finance. But I know it can seem confusing at first. That's why I'm here to explain it in a simple and easy way so you can understand. Now, this video is absolutely for beginners, all right? No matter the level you're in as a cryptocurrency trader, this is absolutely for you. Now, before we dive into our slides, if today is your first time of watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, press the bell notification button, don't forget to share also with your friends. What is cryptocurrency? Remember, I told us earlier that this is absolutely good for any beginner, right? Cryptocurrency is a digital money that uses encryption for security. Now, cryptocurrency is a digital money. Just like you have your paper money, which we use physically, now cryptocurrency is what we use online. It is digital. We don't use it physically, all right? It is transactional. You understand? And this digital money uses encryption for security. What it means is that the money is coded in languages, okay, languages, computer languages that we don't understand, okay. It's secretive, right? No one have access to your money. Do you understand that? Unless you transact with someone online, okay. Unlike the bank, the physical banks we have, people can have access to money and we have the middleman, but cryptocurrency is not like that. You can only transact with you and another person. There is no middleman, no banks, no government interference. It's you and the person you are or you want to transact with. That is cryptocurrency. Don't forget, cryptocurrency is a digital money, is the money we transact online, and it uses encryption for security. This is an end-to-end encryption. What that means is that it is between you and I. No middleman, no interference, right? Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency that came up back in the year 2009 by a person or a group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. All right. Then what are the importance of cryptocurrency? This is so important. We have to learn the importance. Why cryptocurrency? Now we have physical money before the paper money. Why looking for alternative source of transacting online? Now the first one is that it allows for secured anonymous transactions without a middleman like a bank. Before you can transact physically, before you can send money to someone, your bank must interfere, all right, with your transaction. But with the invention of cryptocurrency, your bank do not have access to your money. The government do not have access to your money. So it's between you and the person you are transacting with. So that's one of the most important thing you have to know and learn in this course. All right. Now, example: sending money to a friend in another country directly without the middleman, the bank, or the government, or anyone. Okay. The only thing that cryptocurrency requires is you and the person. Let's assume me, I'm trying to send cryptocurrency to a friend in the UK, right? It's like that. When I send it, it goes. I don't need no bank. I don't need the government. None of those stuffs are needed. That is one of the most importance of cryptocurrency. Here is a summary. Cryptocurrency is like a digital cash. Just like you have a physical cash, cryptocurrency is the cash we use online. Cryptocurrency is the cash we use online. All right? It was created to let people send money directly to one another without needing a bank or government. The first and the most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. We've talked about that earlier. It was launched in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, right? Don't forget the essence it was invented. The essence cryptocurrency was invented was to eliminate the middleman, the bank or the government from our transactions. All right, we can transact with anyone we like without the interference of the middleman, right? How cryptocurrency works now? How does it work? The first one is through blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a blockchain. You can call it a public ledger, right? It's a blockchain. Okay. Now, if you want to go deep into blockchain, we don't have time for that now. We can take that in our next or our subsequent videos, all right? It's a blockchain, just understand. The second one is that no centralized authority controls the money or the transactions. They are verified by users, minus worldwide, right? What it means is that there's no middleman. The bank, the government do not have access to this. When you're transacting with someone, you don't have to send the money through banks in order for the person to receive it. It's online. Okay, no centralized authority controls the transactions. They are verified by you and me, right? Then we have digital ledgers. You know what ledgers are, right? All transactions are permanent and visible to everyone in the network. Okay, if I'm in a network, just for example, I'm in the Tone network, any transactions that is made in the Tone network, I get notifications, right? I get the notifications of those transactions that were made and the amount of tone that was sent to anyone because I'm in the network. All right, I'm in the blockchain network. Okay, now let me give an example. If Alice sent 1 Bitcoin to Bob, everyone sees it recorded. You understand? If Alice sends 1 Bitcoin to Bob, everyone sees it, it's recorded, right? Everyone sees it recorded. All transactions are recorded in the blockchain network, all right? Not to the government. This is somehow like an independent stuff, not controlled by any government, okay? Think of a cryptocurrency as a giant notebook shared among everyone in the network. All right, this notebook is called the blockchain. I talked about the term blockchain, all right, as example. I use that as example. If you are in the Ton blockchain, whatever transactions they made in Ton blockchain, you will get the notification, you see the records, all right? That's it. When someone sends a cryptocurrency, everyone writes it down in their notebook so no one can change it later. So you can change it immediately the transactions are made, everything is recorded. Unlike the bank, the physical bank we have around us, someone can go there and change anything with paper or with a pen rather. But in the blockchain network, it's a different case entirely. Immediately you send the money, everything is recorded. Everyone in that blockchain sees these transactions and records itself automatically. All right. popular cryptocurrencies. Now I talked about Bitcoin earlier. The first and most valuable cryptocurrency, often called digital gold, it's BTC. I know this is not the first time you're hearing BTC. BTC is the first cryptocurrency. Now we have the second one, which is Ethereum. Ethereum is like a platform for building decentralized applications, the DApp and the smart contracts. Now we'll go into the dApps and the smart contracts in our subsequent videos. All right. Example, apps that runs without a central server. Now you can build most of those applications. For example, you want to build any application that's um like look at Binance, look at other platforms that are not run by a centralized individual. I know Binance is centralized, okay? Binance is centralized. All right. Even though you sell cryptocurrency in Binance, Binance is somehow centralized. Okay, but the money you send, those cryptocurrencies are not centralized. Okay, Binance is just Binance is just an exchange market, cryptocurrency exchange market, where you exchange one cryptocurrency for another. All right. Okay, I hope you get that. Ethereum is a platform for building decentralized applications like dApps and smart contracts. Okay, example, apps that run without a centralized server. You know what a centralized server means, right? A server that is in a location that is located in a particular place. All right. So Ethereum is a platform you can build all of this, some of these decentralized applications for cryptocurrencies. All right. Then other cryptocurrencies are the Ripple, the SRP, we have the Cardano, ADA, we have the Litecoin, LTC, we have the USDT, Tether, right? So these are a few cryptocurrencies. We have hundreds upon hundreds, if not thousands upon thousands of cryptocurrency today. All right, but many years ago it wasn't so. Back in the year 2009, Bitcoin was the first that came out. All right, now when Bitcoin gained traction in subsequent years, a lot of persons got into the cryptocurrency ecosystem and started building their own finance. All right, these are some of the ones that came up earlier after Bitcoin. Again, let's go back. Examples, we have the Ripple, which is SRP. We have the Cardano, which is ADA. We have Litecoin, LTC. We have USDT, and many more. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. Now we are repeating that. Like the gold of the digital world, Bitcoin is the highest of all cryptocurrency in the world because it was the first that was invented or created. So Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency. It is the gold, okay? We talk about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is the first that is known, okay, as being the first digital currency, okay? Other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum are like digital tools that let people build applications, okay? You can use Ethereum to build applications, decentralized applications, right? And there are many other with different uses like Ripple and Litecoin, right? Now, what is blockchain? Remember, we talked about blockchain earlier. We made reference to it on the topic how cryptocurrency works, right? Now, what is blockchain? And we are going to be using this, okay, for beginners. Remember, this is not for experts. This is for beginners. We are doing everything in order for you to understand it in simple terms, right? What is blockchain? A blockchain is a digital record of all cryptocurrency transactions. Now, just like your physical bank, your bank have a place to record all transactions, right? Now, blockchain is a digital record of all cryptocurrency transactions. Now, that is blockchain. It's simple. It's not a complicated thing. It's not complicated for anybody. All right. Once again, a blockchain is a digital record of all cryptocurrency transactions. Types of blockchain. We have the public blockchain, we have the private, and the consortium blockchains, right? The public, the private, and the consortium blockchains. Okay. How does blockchain works? How does blockchain works? Blocks stores information. Each block is linked to the previous one. Just like you're building a house, right? You're building a house, you lay blocks upon blocks so you achieve your goal, right? So blocks are stored information. Each block is linked to the previous one. Do you understand? Now you can see, can you see this? You can see this icon here, right? You can see this icon. So in simple term, blocks stores information. Blockchain stores cryptocurrency information, cryptocurrency transactional information. All right. Example, adding new blocks is like adding pages to a book with each a unique number, right? Imagine a blockchain as a digital book where each page is a block of data. Every time a transaction happens, a new page is added, but you can erase or change any of the pages already written. Do you understand that? I believe it's clear. Blockchain is like adding new books whenever anybody or anyone make transactions, right? Just for example, if I want to make cryptocurrency transaction this afternoon, I would have to go with my app, sell or buy whatsoever cryptocurrency I want to buy. Immediately I've done that, the record is created, right? It's like a book. We talked about ledgers, right? Okay, let me go back again. Imagine a blockchain as a book, a digital book now, where each page is a block of data. Every time a transaction happens, a new page is added, but you can erase or change any of the pages already created or written. That's it. So simple to understand. When I make transactions, the record is added. All right. When I make cryptocurrency transaction, the record is put there. So those are blockchains. It stores information. All right. Now that slide is the last slide. Our next video will be airdrop. All right. In our next video, I will do my best to make sure I break it down just the way I did with this very one. Okay. What are airdrops or what is airdrop? Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have gained value, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, press the bell notification button, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.